This is how I put a boost gauge in my 2011 Chevy Cruze. I mounted this Bosch boost gauge down here near the leg well. I didn't really know where else to mount it. And I didn't want to be drilling holes in my dash, but as you can see, I got a view of it right there. Yeah, I'm 6'5", and I do not hit my leg on it. However, if I'm ever in a car accident, I feel like that's not gonna feel good. So at the engine, I tied in to this fix kit that's in other videos I've posted. Line originally went right to the brake booster here. Just put a T in there, and that's where I connected the little plastic hose that came with the kit for the boost gauge. You can also mount, I believe, into this evap, I believe it's called. You could slice this line, figure something out there. Most everybody else mounts down here. So you can see that little rubber line there. It's not the long one, it's the short one. Most everybody ties into that. I couldn't get that thing off. No, that was too hard to get to. Zooming out, hold on. You could kind of see where that's at here. You could also cut, so you can go into there too, but I went over there. Your reservoir tank here has a little clip on it. Just pop that off. This tank just comes right out, and you'll have access to your back firewall where you can see better. So we come in underneath the puddles. You can see our firewall access here. On the left, in the center of the screen, is where my subwoofer wire comes in. I got some other wires for the aftermarket fog lights I put in. And then we got the little plastic line that ran up, and I got it tied, and it goes behind here. This line comes up through here, held in, got it connected right in there. I wish this had more of a cover on it to hide this better, but I don't think it looks too bad when you're viewing it. I might do something later along the lines. Also for the light at night, which we'll show in a minute, for my wires, just ran them under here. In my fuse box, I have all my other wires connected to this too as well. I have add a fuse. This right here, it's kind of a mess. Just plugs in, gives you positive power, and this goes off my cigarette lighter, so that way the light will turn off when the car turns off. So I got some other wires going on here. For the negative, there is a grounding post down here. You can just pop this trim work off, and you can get your negative that way. We're in the car here. I'm gonna hit the gas, and you guys can watch the gauge go. I'm gonna sound off how fast we're going, so I'm gonna floor it here. 15, 25, 30, 40, 50, 60, and I'm gonna let off. We're shifting gears, 65, that's about it. You can see we go back to vacuum, and we let off the gas. All right, we're gonna do this one more time. I'm gonna floor it. Don't mind that lightning in the background. We're up to 70. I think we're spinning the tires there a bit. Rainy night here. So, yeah. If you have a question, leave it in the comment below. Like and subscribe. Thank you.